Greetings YouTube. The project for today is replace the water pump on my 99 Cummins. The original one lasted a little over 200,000 miles, so I can't be too upset about it. I'd heard the belt squeaking the other day and evidently it was getting coolant on it. That happens. Anyways, long story short, just kind of show you guys a few little odds and ends about how to make life a little bit more simpler when it comes to doing this job. The hardest thing is just getting the belt off. You've got a tensioner down there, and it takes a 3/8 ratchet, if you will, or 3/8 drive. So what I did, I used a ratchet and put a 1/2 inch extension on it with a 3/4 inch socket that went around, or on the back side of the ratchet, so I could get some leverage up here to get it going, which that made life easier getting the belt off. So, and then once you do that, you've only got two 10mm bolts that hold the pump on. It's very easy to get off. So hardest thing really is just getting the belt on and off. But with the ratchet up here and the extension, it was easier to get the belt back on. Put the pump back on. I put a little anti-seize around the bolts because they had a little bit of rust on them. And another thing, I didn't have to go up under the truck to drain the coolant. So what I did was I took this typical little siphon, ran it down into the radiator, put it in the bucket, siphoned coolant out of the radiator, which that made life a lot easier and it won't roll around in water. Anyways, then once I got the pump off, it wasn't that big a deal. There was just a small amount of water that came out of the pump once the pump came off. So the pump is pretty basic. It's got just an O-ring that goes around on the back side of it here, and that's it. Just make sure the maintenance service is clean. I cleaned the block up and so forth, and make sure the maintenance service is clean. But yeah, this one, it lasted a hot minute, but not that long. It was, when I had the hood up, this thing was like, it looked like it was going to fly apart, but no, it didn't. So anyways, to the scrap heap for this one. But not that hard a job. It probably didn't take, 10 minutes, really, on a good day. But anyways, another little project, and now it's got to put the coolant back in it and fire it up, and hopefully it's good to go for another 200,000. So we'll see. Anyways, good luck, guys. Take care.